Hi everyone, let's talk about flexibility. It's a big word, but what does it really mean for us? Flexibility is about more than just being able to touch your toes or do the splits. It's about feeling good in your body and moving with ease. When your hips and legs are flexible, amazing things happen. You can perform daily activities without strain and enjoy a greater range of motion. You move with more ease, whether you're walking, running, or just sitting comfortably. Daily activities become more enjoyable. Imagine bending down to tie your shoes or picking up groceries without any discomfort. Plus, stretching can reduce your risk of injury. By keeping your muscles flexible, you're less likely to experience strains or sprains. And who doesn't want that? A flexible body is a happy body. This 15-minute routine is designed to help you open up your hips and lengthen your legs. It's perfect for all levels, whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi. Remember, listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard. Flexibility takes time and patience. Meet yourself where you are today. Take a deep breath and enjoy the process. Ready to find more freedom and flexibility? Let's do it together. Join me on this journey to a more flexible and happier you. Before we dive into our stretches, let's warm up the body. Warming up is essential to prepare your muscles and joints for the deeper stretches that will follow. It helps increase blood flow, improve flexibility, and reduce the risk of injury. This helps prepare your muscles for deeper stretches. By gradually increasing your heart rate and loosening up your muscles, you create a safer environment for your body to stretch more effectively. Start with some gentle movements. These can include light jogging in place, arm circles, or gentle yoga poses. The goal is to get your body moving and your muscles warm. Try circling your hips slowly. Hip circles are great for loosening up the hip joints and preparing them for more intense stretches. Make sure to move in both directions to balance out the stretch. Feel your spine lengthen as you move. Gentle spinal stretches can help release tension in your back and improve your posture. Next, do a few lunges. Lunges are excellent for warming up the legs and hips. They also help improve balance and coordination. Step forward with your right foot. Make sure your knee is aligned with your ankle to avoid any strain. Bend your knees and feel the stretch in your hips. Hold the position for a few seconds to really engage the muscles. Repeat on the other side. It's important to balance your body by working both sides equally. Now let's move our ankles and feet. Ankle mobility is crucial for overall balance and stability. Point and flex your feet. Circle your ankles gently. This will help loosen up the joints and prepare them for more dynamic movements. Feel the energy flowing through your body. As you warm up, you should start to feel more awake and energized, ready for the deeper stretches ahead. Great job! Now that we're warmed up, let's move on to some deeper stretches. Your body is now prepared and you'll be able to stretch more effectively and safely. Our hips often hold tension. Let's release it with some gentle stretches. First, find a comfortable seat. Bring the soles of your feet together for butterfly pose. Gently flap your knees up and down like butterfly wings. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. Next, we'll try pigeon pose. From a tabletop position, bring your right knee forward. Extend your left leg back behind you. Keep your hips square. Breathe deeply and hold. Repeat on the other side. Feel the release in your hips. Leg lengtheners. From hamstrings to quads, feel the release. Now let's focus on stretching our legs. We'll start with a simple hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Reach for your toes. Don't worry if you can't touch them. Just reach as far as you can comfortably. Hold for a few breaths. Now stand up and try a forward fold. Bend forward from your hips. Let your head hang heavy. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Amazing. Cool down and breathe, savoring the sweetness of stretching. This is the moment where we let go of all the tension and stress we've been holding on to. It's a time to connect with our breath and feel the gentle release in our muscles. Great job, everyone. We've stretched our hips and legs, and now it's time to give our bodies the rest they deserve. Stretching not only helps in improving flexibility, but also in enhancing our overall well-being. Now it's time to cool down. This phase is crucial as it helps in gradually bringing our heart rate back to normal and prevents any muscle stiffness. Lie down on your back for Savasana. This pose, also known as the corpse pose, is the ultimate relaxation pose in yoga. Close your eyes and relax. Let your body melt into the mat and feel the calmness wash over you. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the floor. Notice how each part of your body feels as it makes contact with the ground. Breathe deeply and let go of any tension. With each exhale, imagine releasing any stress or worries you may have. Regular stretching can bring so many benefits. It not only improves flexibility but also enhances blood circulation and reduces the risk of injuries. It can improve your flexibility, reduce stress, and boost your mood. Stretching helps in releasing endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Try incorporating this routine into your day. Even a few minutes of stretching can make a significant difference in how you feel. Remember, listen to your body and honor your limits. It's important to stretch within your comfort zone to avoid any strain or injury. With consistent practice, you'll unlock more flexibility and freedom in your body and mind. Namaste. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of becoming more in tune with yourself.